Hey everyone, welcome back. So far, we've used vector search to build our RAG systems. But what happens when you search for a specific term like BM25 and your vector store misses it because it's looking for meaning rather than keywords? Today, we are building a hybrid search system. We'll combine traditional keyword search with modern semantic search to make our AI retrieval incredibly robust. We're using LlamaIndex Grok for the LLM and Hugging Face for our embeddings. Let's dive in. As always, we start with the setup. We need LlamaIndex, rgrok, and Hugging Face integrations, and specifically LlamaIndex Retrievers BM25. This last package is what provides the keyword-based ranking algorithm known as BM25. Next, we initialize our brains. We're using the powerful Llama 3.370 billion model through Grok for speed and reasoning. For embeddings, we're using the open source BAAI/BGE-en-v 1.5. We load our API keys from the .env file and set these as our global defaults in LlamaIndex. Now, the core logic. We define three sample documents. First, we create a standard vector store index. But here is the trick. For BM25 keyword search, we need to pass our documents into nodes. We create two separate retrievers. How do we merge these results? We use the Query Fusion Retriever. This acts as an orchestrator. It takes our vector and keyword retrievers and uses a technique called reciprocal re-rank fusion. This calculates a new score for every document based on its rank in both systems, ensuring the absolute most relevant context is sent to the LLM. Finally, we ask, what is hybrid search? To wrap up, hybrid search is essential for production. It ensures your AI doesn't lose factual keyword matches while still understanding the intent of the user's question. By using LlamaIndex's fusion capabilities, you can build search engines that are far more accurate than using vectors alone. That's it for tutorial 04. If you found this useful, please hit that like button.